Where are you going then?
Hello, everybody. We're going to go deer hunting today. From here into the woods, and then we're going to set up shop there and see if we can get us some supper.
What's the date today?
Date is Saturday, November.
After Thanksgiving, right?
Yeah, the day after Thanksgiving.
So is this your culture stuff?
Yeah, this is our culture. This is our tradition. During Thanksgiving, we always go out deer hunting.
Okay. Good. Let's go.
Let's go.
好，大家看一下，现在雪下的特别大。现在是感恩节过后的星期六，然后我们现在是在我先生的老家 Wisconsin 的一个小镇上。那每一年的感恩节左右呢，是他们这里的一个传统，就是出去打猎。一般打猎回来的话，然后就是庆祝感恩节。我们是星期六今天去打猎，因为今天下大雪。我先生说下大雪一般都是打猎的一个好时机。所以我们就到他们经常打猎的地方去看看今天会有什么样的收获。等会儿到了目的地的话，我们再给大家看看。careful！ 我知道在中国的话，我们持枪是非法的，但是在美国的话，你可以合法的持枪，所以人们可以出去打猎。但是呢，出去打猎是需要这个 license， 就是你需要执照。So Dad，can you introduce some laws about hunting?
Yeah, when you go out deer hunting, you always have to wear orange so other people don't shoot you. When you're wearing orange out in the woods, you stand out very clearly. Also, this year, we're allowed to take one male deer called a buck, and we're allowed to shoot 6 female deers. So, but that's too much meat, so we won't get that many. Hopefully, we'll just get one.
So, yesterday you talk about if I want to hunt rabbit, like turkeys, we need another
license.
It's
Yes, for every type of animal that you want to hunt, you need a separate license. And that way the government gets money. It's basically a tax or a fee, if you like.
So we already get here?
We were here.
Oh, okay. See, that truck is Dan's brother's truck, right?
Guga, yes.
Yeah, Greg's truck. 所以今天他们兄弟3个会一起狩猎，然后他的2个哥哥会一起来。现在我们要换上这个橘色的衣服了。Show me your gun. Where? I can't see. Oh, yes.
This is a 30-30 made famous by John Wayne in the American Westerns.
Oh, why you take a chair?
A chair so we can sit and keep your butt warm. So you don't sit on something cold and wet.
Oh, okay. We go this way?
Yeah.
Okay, go. Oh my God. I even can't move. Oh. My pants almost off. Feel like. Go. 所以我们就是找一个好的一个据点，然后坐在那里等地儿出现，因为你不可能在外面站好几个小时。大家可以看一下，这里很冷，雪下得特别厚。然后呢，这边就是森林了。穿的太厚，所以走起路来很费劲儿，必须要穿特别厚。What's the temperature today?
Temperature is about freezing.
就是
0 degrees Celsius, a little bit below.
零下，反正是零下了。具体零下多少度还没有 check， 没看。现在雪还在下，但是好像 没有前面下的那么大了。How long we need to walk?
Towards the end of the flow.
哦，好，等我到了再给大家拍一段。所以我们现在是就到了目的地了，看一下他现在要把子弹上膛了。
So right here, we have
Oh yeah.
what we have here is what we call a buck rub. So a male deer is called a buck, and they take their horns and they rub it against here.
Oh.
So that tells us that there's a male deer with big horns in the area.
哦，对，通过这就是公路，它的那个角不是就可以挡在树上嘛，所以它就碰在那儿，所以我们就相信这附近就是前面有至少有公路。What's the next? What?
Now I get to load my gun.
Oh, 1, 2.
Usually you only have time to shoot one bullet, but we put extra in here just in case.
哦。好，看起来也很简单，从来没有接触过枪。Very dangerous, right?
Right.
Okay, let's go. What does that mean? Why you put your coat over there?
Because I'm too hot.
Oh, is it okay?
Yeah.
现在就是往森林深处走。Oh, it's very difficult to move. I should wear that boots. Too hot. 太热了，穿的太厚走不动，但是穿少了也不行，因为一会儿要坐在那里等。Did you find something like deers?
Yeah.
Let me see. Must be last night, right?
Yeah, so here. Are you recording?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. So right here are some deer tracks.
Mm-hmm.
And you can see that there's snow on top of them, so that means the deer came through last night before the snowfall.
Okay.
Right there.
Okay. Let's move.
See some right there?
Mm-hmm. But I also see some people's.
That's right.
Oh. 哦，这是一个小桥，水还没有结成冰。哦，大家看对面的这棵树有梯子，这就人们坐的，然后打猎的时候就在这树上面坐上去。What is that for? That wood, see?
The tree fell in the storm.
Oh, I thought that some people build that. Okay. You done?
This is your chair. This is mine.
We don't have a roof. So we just wait for here?
Yep, wait for deer.
Just use glove here.
That's okay.
Ah,
Have a seat.
have a seat.
Oh, this is not a good spot here.
We can't see anything, right?
Yeah, so my spot right over here was a lot better.
Yeah. So do you want to sit up there? You can sit over there. Maybe better. What do you think?
Yes, but I put all these trees up, so but they all kind of die off. So.
Oh. Why we just need to take a huge umbrella.
If I make a shooting lanes.
What?
Sit right there. You shoot this way, this way, this way, this way,
Ah.
this way.
Oh, 8 directions.
Yeah.
Okay. I decided to sit up there.
Huh?
I sit on the wood. You sit on the chair. Hopefully some deer are hungry and come out, right? I sit over there.
Oh, why don't you sit there and then I'll sit here because I'm hunting.
Oh.
Yeah. Huh? Get cheerful.
Hi, Greg. Did you get anything?
What's wrong with that? There's no shooting range. I got shooting here. There is. Here. One right there. One. Well, type thing. Let's look down there. Can't see anything down there.